So the first time I saw these shoes, I was like, these are nuts. No, thank you. But as I looked at them a little more, I'm like, all right, I kind of like them. So today we're going to talk about the Yeezy 450 Dark Slate. What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Dad and Son.
Kicks and Cooking. And in hand, today we're going to talk about how good is the Yeezy 450 Dark Slate.
Yeah.
Thanks to the Adidas Confirmed app, we got a pair of these.
Finally, wait a second.
Yeah.
Before you open this box, let me show you how insanely thin this box is.
Sure.
Why is it so... Look.
Hey, we lost one. Oh, we lost a bunch.
I fell. Look at how thin this box is compared to this one.
It's a bigger shoe difference, right?
You guys see this? This is a big difference.
Huge
You have a
difference.
tiny shoe or something?
You'll see in about 2 seconds.
Let's do that. Enter the base right now. You know what I'm saying? It's like you can open it and pull up a hologram of a gun. Look.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be cool if they had holograms.
And then it actually turns into a solid one. That'd be tough.
Yas.
Oh, wow.
What?
It turned into a whole solid one from the hologram?
That'd
That's
be
pretty
slick.
cool.
Hey, Nod. So the original 450 release we saw was the cloud white, and it was like, these are so different. But kudos to Yeezy because unlike some other brands, I feel like Yeezy is pushing the forefront of design and just trying new things, man. I'm not mad at that.
I agree with you.
So we're gonna unbox these. The Dark Slate, some may call them dinosaur bones. They kind of do look like a fossil wrapped around the foot.
I still can't believe you got these. The way you were hating.
I did.
Wow.
I did to a degree hate them. I said at the end of our video, you can go back and check out our review of the Cloud White when they were coming out, that I didn't hate them, and I said they look like they'd be really comfortable.
Yeah.
You know, get your foot in there and get that foam, that ortho light.
Ortho.
That's what it's called, ortho light inside here. It's the cushioning, right?
Oh, but Dad,
Yes.
these smell like straight rubber or something.
Yeah, it's because it's a rubber
I
shoe.
don't know what it is, but it smells unique.
It does smell unique.
I always gotta smell the shoe, you know what I'm saying? That's my thing. I gotta smell it to tell you if it's a good shoe or not. And this is a good smelling shoe, so
It is good smell.
kudos.
So look, man, the shoe design itself is so different, right? It looks like some type of dinosaur bones or some type of fossil wrapping around your foot.
It does.
And I feel like the initial, when they leaked from Kanye, when he had the whole GQ shoot with all the shoes around him, we saw something similar. Didn't look quite as trimmed down as this. It was like a taller shoe or
they look
something.
like fatter.
Yeah. Like maybe it wasn't just kind of the sock on top.
Right.
But this now, again, is such a soft shoe, man.
It is.
I mean, feel it.
Geez, the inside too. No, this is about to be super comfy.
Exactly. That was the whole goal. That's why I was like, man, I want to get my hands on a pair to see if they're as soft as I think they are.
Right.
And I think they are.
They are, without a doubt.
Right. We're going to get some on feet and we're going to see how these feel. And one more thing too I do like is that initially the Cloud White was really cool, but I don't really do white shoes.
Yeah, I know.
I was like, if they come out in black, I'd be more prone to wear them. But the Dark Slate, which is cool, sticks to that whole...
Yeah, this is definitely black.
Yeah, the Yeezy mineral, that's what they're doing, like kind of mineral names, because they got like all these mono ice and some other names like that are similar. But
What was this?
this is the Dark Slate.
Oh, what does that mean?
Slate is like a stone, is a rock.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
You ever heard of a slate roof? Nope.
Oh, like the slanted roof?
Yeah.
I've heard of that. What's that got to do with the rocks?
This slate is rock, like it means rock. It's a kind of rock, I guess.
Oh, it also has a little bit of green in the back too.
Well, greenish, like a brown. Yeah, it's like an earth tone, right?
Yeah.
To kind of give you a little contrast on the heel of the shoe.
Right.
And you know, I just like it, man. It's nice. It's very minimalistic.
Yeah, it definitely is.
I feel like again, putting these in here, wearing these with some low socks or no socks, really.
No, I gotta wear. I can't wear shoes without socks. It just
I
doesn't
know
feel
it
right.
does because you sweat and sliding around, and then just like the shoes get funky.
Exactly. You gotta put on some socks. Maybe some low socks, so that would work.
But it's like the shoe is a sock.
No, you gotta wear socks with the shoe.
It's a sock with some foam cushion rubber cradling your foot. So this shoe also to me looks like an alien claw or something.
Yeah.
We talk about dinosaurs, but yeah, like
it's like holding you from the bottom of the shoe, right?
exactly.
Exactly.
The alien has a very cushy hand, right?
Now, Dad.
What?
I've got a question.
What's that?
So for a shoe like this,
Yes.
you know, it's a Yeezy shoe, and it has like on the bottom, it has like that sort of pattern where you know you could think you could run in it kind of. But on the top, it does seem like it's made for comfort though. So do you think that you could wear this as an athletic shoe?
I mean,
go on a little jog in it?
I probably wouldn't jog in it. I could wear them as a comfortable shoe to walk in.
Yeah.
If I'm going to the gym and I'm lifting weights, you know, just a comfortable shoe to keep my foot in, but I probably wouldn't run in them.
You would wear it to the gym to lift weights?
I mean, not that, no exercises where I'm using my feet. Like I'm not running
if you're not
or
hitting the
doing
treadmill,
leg presses. You know what I mean? Like nothing like that. What about you guys? People out there that got these, what's your thoughts on the functionality of this shoe?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do something more than just rock it for comfort? You know, what are your thoughts on the shoe itself? Do you love the shoe? Do you hate it?
And that, now,
Yeah.
I am getting quite hungry. So what if we hit the kitchen?
You ready to go cook some food?
I'm so ready.
Yeah, I'm with you. But before we do, if this is your first time to our channel, make sure you ring that bell below so to make sure you get the notifications when we release new videos at Upcom.
So you can be the first one here.
All right. So in this dish, we're gonna make a vegetable frittata. And I'm all about simple things, simple dishes. And if you've been here before, you know how much I love breakfast. Veggie frittatas is like, if you got vegetables in the fridge, some things left over, throw it all in the pot with some eggs. That's it.
So today we're making it out of eggs, cheese, and vegetables. So it's gonna end up being like a vegetable pie, kind of like a quiche, you know?
Quiche. You mean quiche? The E is like silent, but similar.
That.
Quiche has the crust, but it is kind of like a pie without the pie crust. It's just like a souffle kind of thing.
Souffle.
Frittata. It's Italian. Let's get into it.
Simply delicious. That's good stuff.
All right, so that's the Yeezy 450. If you liked our take on this shoe, make sure you come back and check out the next episode of what we bring you, and we'll see you on the flip. Peace.